Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 15 and let me share with you how to free up storage without removing apps. So first of all, what I highly recommend to do is to remove the cache. So let's open the settings. Here we have to scroll down and find the apps and go to app management. So right here we've got the list of all apps which are currently installed on this device, and what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of those apps, especially those which you're frequently using, tap on them and remove cache. So go to storage usage, here we've got the cache section and tap on clear cache. Thanks to removing cache for all of those apps will release the quite a lot of memory. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to find your phone manager. And no worries, this app is provided by your developer, so for sure you've got one. Just open the list of apps and localize phone manager. Let's tap on it. Here we've got here we've got the option called optimize. So even though your system is in a good condition, it is a good idea to simply tap on optimize. Your device will try to, for example, remove different cache, etc. Moreover, here we've got here cleanup storage, and by entering it you can check the app cleanup, a deep cleanup. So for example, here we've got different categories connected with photos and videos, because usually the most amount of data, the most amount of memory is occupied by photos and videos. Here what is also quite underrated, I would say, are duplicated files and large files. So I really highly recommend to go through those categories and remove different files which you do not really use. Another thing which I highly recommend to do, which was not listed in the cleanup section, are the downloads. And let's be honest, usually we are downloading quite a lot of stuff and then we forget about it. And obviously those items are still saved in the downloads. So what you have to do is to open the file manager. You can use the Google provided file manager, you can use the internal one, or any kind of third-party app. For sure this option will have the downloads, as you can see in the categories here. So just enter the downloads and check all of those files and decide whether you really need them or not. You can remove them here also. And as a last resort, which is also a great option, last but not least, let's say, is the backup. You can use any kind of service, for example, OneDrive, Google Drive, whatever you want to. I will not show you the full operation here, the full option, because we've got a separate video which is long enough to describe all of the details. So I highly recommend to check it. I just wanted to show you the advantages of that option. Obviously, there are many, but I just wanted to focus on two of them. The first one is not only that you will store your photos and videos in a different place, and thanks to it you will secure them, because if for some reason something is wrong with your device, you cannot really open it, or it was stolen or something like that, you will still have the access to your own data, own photos and videos. And the other advantage is that because you will have them saved in a different place, you will be able to remove them from your internal storage. And thanks to it, you will be able to save really a lot of space. And thanks to it, obviously, you will not have to remove the apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.